Hello everyone, I'm Manny from KOMATCO. Our company is focused on exported construction machinery and is the largest supplier in China. We've exported to more than 200 countries for 17 years. And today I will introduce an Hitachi Excavator ZX210-6 to you. Let's go and have a look. The machine weighs about 21 tons. It delivers silent digging force, a maximum depth of 6.6 meters. The bucket capacity from 0.91 to 1.2 cubic meters. The bucket is reinforced with wear-resistant steel plates, making it more durable for digging hard soil and gravel. The engine is the heart of the machine. Let me show you the engine. It is equipped with a powerful 122 kW Isuzu diesel engine that is fuel efficient and meets strict emission standards. Most notably, it operates without a DPF filter, simplifying maintenance and saving costs. Safety and comfort are top priorities. The reinforced cap provides maximum protection, and the operational 270-degree camera system gives you full visibility around the machine. In short, the Hitachi Excavator ZX210-6 offers the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and reliability. It's a smart choice for any construction project. If you are interested in construction machinery, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.